Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my correalistic people, there is a word they always say that the food is sweet, but the story is sweeter. You know, every time when they tell these people, oh, well, sit at home. Nigeria election has been like this for so very long time. They said, oh, why are you saying this? You are enemy of progress. What did you know? Come on. This election, a lot of people turn RIP. In this particular election, a lot of people injured. And when you are telling them, they tell you, oh, Nigeria is our country. Nigeria is our country, and we must remain one. And I am raising my voice to support anyone that needs this one Nigeria. In fact, Nigeria is what we really need right now, because we can see that Nigeria started happening to one after the other. These people, they are now scam. According to Apostle John Suleiman, he said that Nigeria is no longer practicing democracy, but agborocracy. I have a lot of updates to tell you people, but we are going to watch them and listen to them one at a time. Now, let us see the story of the guy that was arrested since the time of HAPPPEN. For 2 years plus, this guy has been suffering there. Nobody comes to his rescue. I believe that the family member in one way or the other will be crying and saying that, oh, we did not see our son. Because according to this guy, he said they released 11 of them on 17th of March 2023, a day to this particular election that break the internet. Now let us listen to him, because people are not saying, oh, we are going to raise up some NGO to help you. The parents, the family, this guy has been in need of help for a very long time. But you know the funniest thing, nobody will come for you when he don't say.
Now, what's your name? Kevin Haruna. Wetin happen? Where you take go? Where you go?
That answer stand. So, for the answer,
okay.
Police, backwards.
Okay.
From station.
Waiting be today's date. Today now waiting.
Yes.
Today now Wednesday, February 15, 2023.
Yes.
March 15, 2023. Okay. I dey hear you, my brother.
As they took us police station, from police station to SAS. As they took us to SAS, they took us to court. As they took us to court, from that day, they now took us to prison.
Imagine.
From there, they just dumb us there.
For there?
Yes. Yes, I was almost there for 2 years, 6 months. I never go court.
Imagine. Because of end-stars protest, they just carry you to court today because election, governorship election, they come.
And they bring me to prison.
See, slippers, so to prove say it just come out. You know they see him.
11 of us were
11 people now they just leave. Imagine. No worry. People wait there online. We have NGOs online that will take up the matter. No worry. They took you out. Where they carry you go? Which prison they carry you go? Kirikiri. Imagine, and we dey country wey say get government, get everything. No worry, we go get your contact. I will get back to you. You see, this guy needs help for a very long time. Who comes for him? Anyway, let us leave that one and join the other music. This is the Labour Party chairman. He's here to tell you his own part of the story. He's receiving the woto one after the other. I am not surprised, but I'm surprised that our people don't really know up to this very moment that this is the way election is held in Nigeria. What are you people saying? This thing has been for years now. It's not this people say sit at home. There is no need for you to go and cast your vote because your PVC is useless, yeah?
They don't need it. You don't have anything that you want to talk to them. They will only cajole you, deceive you, and make caricature of you for you to go and cast your vote. And after we show my correalistic people, they will sip inside and leave you in the field. When anything happens to you, you are on your own or your. So let us hear from the chairman of Labour Party and see what the obedient got to say. This is no longer a joke, but it is funny anyway, because people will say, oh, can't you people see? But the most interesting part is that after the thing happened, they will start running and tell you, oh, we are coming to the internet to air our view. Now we dey here for the internet, and we are the only one that will also spread the news. Oh, no matter how you spread the news, my people, where will the news end? Just give 1 or 2 days, yo, the news is, nobody will be talking about the news anymore. Now as I'm talking to you, hey, the election is over, celebration upon celebration is going on. But before then, let's listen to the obedient, the Labour Party chairman. Let's hear from him.
It has become imperative for me to bring to the attention of the general public the ongoing rape on democracy that is currently ongoing in Abia State. After the Labour Party have won all the local government in Abia State, the governor of Abia State is trying to change his local government result, Obingwa, in order to obtain the entire outcome of the election. As I speak with you, INEC officials and all other officers are held hostage by the governor in his local government, and he's trying to change the election results. Same scenario is playing out in Enugu. The governor of Enugu State is working hard, and they are trying to change the results that we have won clearly in Enugu State. I'm therefore using this opportunity to alert members of the public, INEC Chairman Professor Mahmoud Yakubu, and the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari. Their intervention is timely. The provocation has become so much, having denied us of our victory in the presidential election, massive rigging of our election in Lagos and several other parts of the country. It is almost become intolerable, and it is imperative to put on record that if this scenario continues if it's allowed to continue in Abia and Enugu State, it may become difficult for us to control our supporters who are ready to continue to sit and occupy the streets of Nigeria till justice is done, till all our mandates from the presidential to House of Assembly, National Assembly, and to state government is recovered. Thank you and God bless you.
So all the people you are seeing on this video, they are all Nigerian citizens. They are running for safety. They are running for their life. They are trying to escape from Benin Republic to Nigeria. Why? Because the Benin Republic government has ordered the arrest with military. They are going house to arrest Nigerians in Benin Republic for no reason. Not if they catch you, they will deport you. Rather, if they catch you, they will put you in prison. Some they will mention 10 years. Some they will mention any year they want to mention. And you begin to pay money for your freedom. So many of them, many hustlers, they are running for their life. Hearing now that they have even closed the borders. So there is no means for them to escape. And the militaries, they are coming after them. So I'm recording this video to call on the Nigerian embassy, to call on the Nigerian government. In any way they can come and intervene on this situation, they should come and intervene. The people are going through stuffs. They are going through struggles. Many of them just entered the country. Many of them don't have money to even travel. So many of them are stranded. Why are we in the same West Africa? Why are we being so wicked to ourselves? Why are we being so jealous? I'm calling anyone who can help them should come and intervene and help them. I'm already praying for them. I'm praying for peace for safety of the people and for safety of the country itself. Because Nigeria, they will soon retaliate. They will soon retaliate. They don't like intimidation. Do your own, I do my own. Don't bring your problem upon me. That is the way we live.
See video. You better stay. They don't block water. See video. They don't block water. I mean, they don't block water. See, they don't block.
My brother, this your last statement surprised me. You said that Nigerians, they will soon retaliate. It's not somebody that know that you exist that will come and retaliate for you. You see everything that is going on right now. Wherever we go to, they push us up and down. But anyways, we still have to survive because Nigeria has turned to the country called survivor of the fittest. God has been so good to the citizens, honestly speaking, because with everything, they still stand tall. But this time around, there is only one solution, and you know it for yourself. So thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for your like. Thank you for your support. Please do well to share this video and let it go viral. Thank you once again, and bye-bye.